Chef Cell was recorded on a cell phone in front of a fake audience.
I couldn't think of something to do. Like, what can I do that's a fast, quick, easy thing, you know? So my journey began. So out into the wilderness I traveled, and there it was. Wild, growing basil. That's it! Pesto. Boom. Chef Sal. I own you. All right, so this is a very quick one. It's a quickie. So, I said, well, it's a Friday, and I already I think I put a video out earlier in the day. Go to YouTube, look up Chef Sal, video, fun, cook, laugh, you know. Oh, God forbid you cook and laugh these days. Sheesh. I mean, really. All right, so I couldn't think of something to do. Like, what can I do that's a fast, quick, easy thing, you know? So my journey began. So out into the wilderness I traveled, and there it was. Wild, growing basil. That's it! Pesto. Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna get back there. I'm gonna make some pesto. Pesto is the easiest thing you could ever make besides making ice. Some people can't even do that. Speaking of ice, what you're going to do, well, what you can do is when you're done making it, you're going to pour it into these little things, little ice cube. Yeah, an ice cube tray. Anyway, and then you freeze it, right? And you put it in a baggie, and then when you want to have some pesto, you throw it in a pot, you have it. Because you're going to freeze this stuff. It freezes up to like 3 months. And you can make it with pasta, you can make it with all kinds of great things. All right, so food processor, cup and a half, cup of oil, cup and a half. You're gonna go as you go. You're gonna go as you go. Go as you go. You'll see what I mean by that. Salt, pepper. Of course, we have 2 cups of pretty tightly packed basil that I got somehow growing from my garden. Pesto. All right. I toasted some pine nuts. Here, check it out. See? I toasted these. You don't have to toast them, but if you want to toast them, see how brown they get? They get really brown. You know, remember, anything with brown, it tastes good, you know? Oh, I think I won't toast it. Don't toast that! Don't toast it. I don't want to taste it any better than it should. Said no cook ever. So, toast it. Yeah, see, they turned about this brown. Pine nuts. Pine nuts. Yeah. All right, let me get back there. Getting this whole editing thing down. Anyway, so we got the pine nuts. I told you about the salt and pepper. I got 3 nice big cloves of garlic. Look at this. I gotta show you. Yeah, see? All right, back there. Right. It's kind of fun though, right? Here's how you take the skin off of garlic. I know you've probably seen it a million times before. Not too bad, right? You know, I remember in the old days, even my dad, who was a great cook, he'd sit there and like peel. You don't have to peel it. Smash it. All right. I'm getting dizzy. All right, so there you go. See? Just smash it. Here, I'll do another one. Very easy. Bing, bang, boom. And don't smash it really hard with the knife. Just enough that you hear it crack under your fingers. See? Boom. All right? And now I'm just going to slice it up. You know, it's going in the food processor, but I'm going to move it along a little bit. Just move it along. Move it along, doggies. Move them doggies along.
Keep them doggies rolling. Man, my ass is swollen. Right.
Yeah. Just like that. Okay? Perfect. This is called roughly chopped. I mean, it's roughly chopped. I'm not going to kid. I won't kid. All right, and pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna move the FP over. Get rid of my spurls. Move my spurls over there. My spurls. And I mean, boom. Here's our oil. So I'm going to put about half of this cup. So a half a cup, right? Oh, I'm so smart. Ooh, I'm a real math guy. Put that in there. I got these 3 roughly chopped cloves of garlic in there. I'm gonna put my pine nuts in there. And I'm gonna take my basil and I'm going to rip it up. I'm gonna rip up my fresh basil that I got from my garden. Pesto! Into dime-sized pieces. Okay? Really smells fresh in here. It smells like, it's starting to smell like pesto. Alright. Now one thing I don't have out here, because it's a refrigerated item, I'm going to use a half a cup. They usually say, these chefs, Pecorino Romano cheese. I'm using Parmesan. I mean, liquid first. They won't tell you that when you go to other people on YouTube, and I don't know why, because it really facilitates. There's a word for you. It facilitates. It facilitates. Ah yes, we have come to facilitate, not to equivocate. Not to equivocate. No, you got it wrong, sir. You got it wrong, my king. Not to equivocate. Anyway, liquid in, put the stuff in, moves it around better, all right? It facilitates it, not equivocates. All right. And just keep pulsing. All right, so I've been pulsing. You know, it's getting, we don't want it to total liquefy. We don't want it to totally liquefy. Just kind of chunky at this point. Now I got about a quarter cup of this grated parm in here. Remember, I still have more oil to go and more salt and pepper, but the garlic and the pine nuts that I have toasted, roasted, really smelling incredible with that cheese in there. We owe. Okay, so what we want to do is scrape it down the sides a little bit. It's already very pesto-y. I probably won't put too much more oil in here, but if I do, I could counteract that with more cheese. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying to you? Right? Counteract that with more cheese. So I'm going to let it run. Maybe about another 2 or 3 tablespoons of this oil here. Ah, incredible. Really, seriously, I'm not kidding. Now a little salt and pepper. I'm going to go teaspoon salt. Go a little wild with the pepper. Beautiful. Beautiful green. It's green. It's mid-August. You know, summer's just starting to say, I'm bushed. You know what I mean? So it's like nice to see green stuff, because you're not going to see that very long. Dr. Doom has spoken. Alright, I'm going to put another quarter cup of this parm cheese in here. Mix that up and we probably will be done. We're done. There it is. See that? Perfect pesto. A proper, perfect pesto. Pleasing.
Peter Patterson had a pig named Porky.
All right. Anyway, Chef Sel here. I told you it was a quickie. Make it, freeze it, put it in the little ice cube trays, do whatever you want. Great stuff. Throw it over pasta. I will see you next time.